Good morning, children. We have completed the chapter shapes. Mainly we have discussed two types of shapes. One is plane shape, another one is solid shape. We have read in the plane shapes that a square, a rectangle, a triangle, a circle. These main plane shapes we have discussed, and in the solid shapes we have discussed a cone, a cuboid, a cube, a sphere and a cylinder. These shapes we have already discussed. So there are 5 main solid shapes and 4 plane shapes. From this type of questions, from this type of shapes, the questions may come are the definitions, fill in the blanks, or to draw, or to identify the shapes. So what I told, either definitions may come with examples, to identify the shapes, to fill in the blanks, or to draw the shapes. So today we are going to discuss the fill in the blanks from this type of shapes. See the first question, a triangle has dash sides. So triangle is a plane shape and a triangle has from the word triangle. Tri means 3. So a triangle has how many sides? A triangle has 3 sides. A cube or a cuboid. A cube or a cuboid has how many faces, vertices and edges? So a cube or a cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. So both cube and cuboid have the same. So if you are learning one, you can answer both. So a cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Next, a sphere has dash corners. We know a sphere looks like a circle. So a sphere has no corners. Brick is an example of. We know brick looks like a cuboid. So brick is an example of cuboid. Next, tube light is an example of. A tube light at your home, you can see here also, a tube light looks like a cylinder. A cone has how many vertex? From the word itself, vertex, we have told you that vertex is for singular form and the plural of vertex is vertices. So whenever it is written vertex, that means it is 1. So a cone has 1 vertex. Next, a dash has 4 equal sides. Which shape has 4 equal sides? So you are having 4 sides, that means it will be a plane shape. So it is a square. A square has 4 equal sides. Next, in a rectangle, their sides are equal. So we know rectangle is a plane shape. So a rectangle is having how many sides? A rectangle is having 4 sides and 4 corners, and in a rectangle the opposite sides are equal. So the question is, in a rectangle dash sides are equal. So I am going to write in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. In a rectangle opposite sides are equal. So beside this, question may come, a circle has dash corners. A circle has no corners. A circle is drawn with a dash line. A circle is drawn with a curved line. Then a cube has how many corners? So the vertices, what will be used, I told you. So a cube has how many vertices? 8 vertices. So a die looks like a cube. A scale looks like a rectangle. Many more questions can be framed from these shapes. So you have to learn the definitions nicely along with the examples. Minimum 2 examples you have to learn, or I may give you some examples and you have to identify the shapes of those figures or the objects. Okay? Thank you, children.